Today, we will talk about 10 secrets to building wealth. Building wealth is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term endeavor that requires discipline, patience, and a smart approach to managing money. Wealth is built over time through the accumulation of assets, investments, and the consistent application of key financial strategies. Below are 10 secrets that can set you on the path to financial success, helping you build lasting wealth. 10. Live below your means. The foundation of building wealth lies in spending less than you earn. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle as your income increases, but doing so can delay or even derail your progress toward financial independence. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices to control your spending. This could mean avoiding lifestyle inflation, being mindful of unnecessary expenses, and prioritizing saving and investing. By spending less and saving more, you can free up more money to build wealth over time. It's important to establish a budget and track your spending. Once you know where your money is going, you can easily find areas to cut back. 9. Focus on long-term investments. Building wealth requires smart, long-term investments. While it may be tempting to chase quick gains through risky investments or stock picks, the most successful investors focus on long-term, consistent returns. One of the best ways to grow wealth is through compound interest, which benefits from time and consistency. Investing in assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate can be a powerful tool in your wealth-building journey. By starting early and contributing regularly to investment accounts like a 401k or an IRA, you allow your money to grow exponentially over time. 8. Increase your income streams. Relying on just one source of income limits your wealth-building potential. To accelerate your path to financial freedom, it's essential to increase your income streams. This could involve finding ways to earn extra income through a side hustle, freelance work, or passive income sources, such as rental properties or dividends from stocks. The more income streams you have, the less reliant you are on your primary job, and the more money you can allocate toward investments, savings, and building wealth. 7. Understand the power of compound interest. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools in wealth building. It allows you to earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. The longer your money is invested, the more significant the growth can be, which is why starting early and staying consistent with your contributions is so important. To harness the power of compound interest, make sure to invest regularly and reinvest your earnings rather than withdrawing them. The longer you let your investments grow, the more exponential your returns will be. This is why it's crucial to begin investing as early as possible in your wealth-building journey. 6. Pay off high-interest debt. One of the quickest ways to prevent your wealth from growing is by carrying high-interest debt, such as credit card debt. The interest payments on these debts can quickly spiral out of control, reducing the amount of money you have available for saving and investing. To build wealth, prioritize paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Focus on paying off credit cards and other debts with interest rates higher than the returns you could expect from investments. 5. Live a frugal yet rewarding life. Being frugal doesn't mean denying yourself the things you enjoy. Rather, it's about making intentional choices about where your money goes. By living frugally, you can make your income stretch further and allocate more money toward investments and savings. Living below your means while still enjoying life requires a balance. For example, you might cook more meals at home instead of eating out, or you could make thoughtful purchases rather than succumbing to impulse buys. Frugality allows you to save more money while still enjoying a fulfilling life, making it easier to build wealth over time. 4. Create a financial plan and set clear goals. Having a roadmap to guide you on your journey to wealth is essential. A financial plan helps you define your goals and create actionable steps to achieve them. Start by determining your long-term financial goals, whether it's early retirement, buying a home, or becoming debt-free, and break them down into smaller, manageable objectives. Once you've set your goals, develop a plan that includes a budget, savings targets, and investment strategies. Regularly review and adjust your plan as circumstances change. This structured approach helps you stay on track and maintain focus on your ultimate financial objectives. 3. Focus on financial education. The more you learn about personal finance and investing, the more empowered you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. Financial literacy is a crucial skill that will allow you to avoid costly mistakes and optimize your wealth-building strategies. Take the time to read books, attend workshops, follow financial blogs, and learn about investment options. Being well-informed will help you make smart decisions with your money, from understanding how stocks and bonds work to knowing how to avoid financial scams. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to grow your wealth effectively. 2. Diversify your investments. One of the most effective ways to build wealth while minimizing risk is through diversification. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, you reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Diversification allows you to take advantage of different growth opportunities while protecting your portfolio from the volatility of any one market. Consider including a mix of domestic and international investments, as well as a variety of industries and sectors. Diversification helps ensure that your investments grow at a steady rate over time, without putting all your financial eggs in one basket. 1. Start early and be consistent. The number one secret to building wealth is to start as early as possible and stay consistent. The earlier you begin saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Starting early takes advantage of the power of compound interest, which increases your wealth exponentially over time. It's essential to make saving and investing a habit. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, even if it's just a small amount. The key to wealth building isn't timing the market perfectly or making huge investment decisions. It's about being consistent over the long term. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.